Assalamualaikum dear my friend, I hope all are you very good, and this is a new road you can see, uh, and beside this road you can see this is a very fine place, and this is natural place you can see, and this is grass and green both side, and water, and this is rain water you can see here. This is that is another place, and this is rain water, and the land full of water, and the sky with uh, the surrounding place. I think this is very good. You can see this is dead tree in here, and many dead trees in front to me you can see, and this is the palm tree. You can see in the fisherman catching fish. One fisherman catching fish by his net. You can see this. Before evening, this is this very good. And this is flower garden you can see, and this is very nice. Thank you all. Allah.